Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making blueberry almond lemon cake. It's got almond flour in it, it's got fresh blueberries and lemon zest. Sounds great, right? Well, I certainly should be. But have I made this before? No, of course not, because we're gonna do it together. I was inspired by this song. I found my thrill on blueberry almond lemon cake hill. Let's give this a go. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your loaf pan ready to go. Grease it up and put a parchment paper sling in it and grease it some more. Butter, sugar, lemon zest, vanilla. Beat until smooth. Add eggs one at a time and incorporate. Flour, baking powder, salt, almond flour. Whisk together. Add in your dry in 3 additions. Fold in 3/4 of your fresh blueberries. Do this gently. Scoop into your pan. Spread out in your pan best you can. Into the oven for 15 minutes. Then we're going to take it out, put the rest of the blueberries on top, and back in the oven it'll go. 15 minutes is up. Time to add the rest of the blueberries. After you add the blueberries on top and then bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, tent it with some foil and then bake again for another 25 to 30 minutes. It's time to take it out. Let it rest in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll take it out with the sling and let it cool completely. Confectioner sugar, lemon juice, whisk together, drizzle onto your cake. Look at this lovely blueberry lemon almond cake. Look at that frosting. It looks fantastic, and you'll see those blueberries up top and the blueberries at the bottom as well. It's all in the taste, so let's give it a try. Get some of that frosting. Here we go. This tastes like a most delicious muffin in cake form. It's got that sweetness with that lemon icing on top. You taste a little bit of the almond flour coming through, adding extra flavor. Certainly those blueberries are just like popping in your mouth with their fresh flavor. This is delicious, delicious, delicious. I highly recommend it. If I can make this blueberry, almond, and lemon cake for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends, and make for your family and friends. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more.